Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I'm going to be showing you a video today which is on a complete guide to what a beginner makeup kit should have. So I have this makeup kit right here and it has all the makeup essentials that is beginner friendly and very affordable, and you guys can easily purchase this, and I'm going to be showing you each and every product that I have tried from this kit, which is very beginner friendly and easy to use if you are a starter in the makeup game. So if you like to see what's in this bag, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. So without further ado, let's just get down into the video now. So for my video, I would be starting by showing everything that's in this kit. So I bought this makeup kit from Miniso and it costed me around 300 rupees, and it's a really nice and compact kit, and it can fit everything from a foundation bottle to a moisturizer and all the essentials that you want to carry at one go. So these are all the stuff that I have in this kit. So starting off with the first thing that is the most essential part of any makeup, which is to moisturize your face well and to apply lip balm. So before starting off with any makeup, one should really moisturize their skin well, because it's winter time and every skin tends to dry a lot, especially the dry skin type and the combination skin type people. They have a lot of flaky patches over here on their cheeks, and even for the oily skin type people, you should really moisturize well, because you're going to layer up your skin with all the different kind of foundations and BB creams and different layers of products on your face. So your face would tend to look very dry at the end. So you should really moisturize your face well. So for the moisturizer, I have this Neutrogena combination skin type moisturizer, and this really suits me well. So this costed me around 375, and this has 118 ml, which is sufficient, and I use this a lot because I have a combination skin, and during winters also it suits me the best. So if you are also a combination skin type, you can opt for this, and I'm sure it won't disappoint you because it really works well. And I have this Nivea Strawberry Shine Lip Balm, and this really moisturizes my lips well. So I put this before starting my makeup, so that once I'm done with my makeup, my lips are not chappy, and even if I'm applying a matte lipstick, my lipstick does not flakes or anything. So I have these two. Next up in my makeup kit, I have this Color Bar Primer, and although this is a bit on the pricier side, but I think this works really well to have a nice shield between your skin and your makeup. So this really does the job well, and it even exceeds the long lastingness of the makeup where whichever I apply on my face. And this makes my makeup stay on my face for 8 to 9 hours without yeah, like getting rubbed off and anything. So you have a lot of other primer options in the market as well, the drugstore primers. So you can either go with the Mist Care primer, or you can even opt for the in color primer. That's also really good, but I tend to use this, so I have this in my makeup kit. Next up, for my foundation recommendation, I have this matte Poreless Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I can swear by this product. This is a very nice foundation, and it works just fine for my skin during summers as well as winters, and this really mattifies my skin. So which is why I said that you should really moisturize your face well and apply a primer before putting down your foundation. And you can even go for any other foundation that you like to, but I really like this foundation, and this is affordable as well, because you get 30 ml of product, and during sale time it will even cost you less than 500 bucks. So if you want to go for a foundation, you can either go for the Maybelline one, or the Nykaa foundations are also really good, the Skin Shield. So for my concealer, I have this Instant Age Rewind Maybelline concealer, and by the bottle you can figure out how much I use this concealer. And this is a really nice concealer. It just really covers all the blemishes and dark spots and the shadows that you have under your eyes, and anything that you want to cover up. This has very nice coverage. It's medium to full coverage, and you can even build up the coverage if you want. And this is a very nice product. So if you want to invest in a good concealer, you should really go for this. If there are any people out there who don't like to apply any foundation on their face, so they can go with this BB cream or any CC cream that they would like to. So I have used this Garnier BB cream, and this is in the small packaging. So this is really nice, and they have really nice Indian skin tone shades in these BB creams. So if there are days when you don't want to put on those foundations on your face and have full coverage, so you can go for these light coverage BB creams. The powder recommendation, I have two powder recommendations for you guys. So this is the Powder Plus Contour palette from Wet n Wild, and I have this L'Oreal Matte Magique powder. So this powder I have been using since 6 years now, and I really like the effect that it gives after applying it on a concealer. It really mattifies my concealer and it makes my concealer stay in place, does not creases in the concealer, and has a very good effect. And after applying this, there is no sebum secretion as well on my skin, so I can just touch up if I want to after 4 or 5 hours of application of this powder. So either you can go for this powder, which costs for 500, or else you can go for this dual contouring palette, which has a contour shade as well as a powder. So this has this banana shade powder here, and this contouring shade is also very good. I have used both these things non-stop, and I really like this palette. It's so affordable, and you get two things in just one pan, and you can see the size of this pan as well. And it would just cost you around 500 rupees for these two things. Next one, moving to my brows, I use the Miss Clair brow pencil, and this is a very cheap and a very pigmented and nice brow pencil. And if you're looking for such an affordable brow pencil, you should really go for this. I'm in the shade dark brown, and this costed me 75 rupees only. And even the brush here really helps in brushing out your brows after applying the product. And the only con of this is that you need to sharpen it. So that's all, because it does not have any roll on to take the product out, but it's a very affordable and nice pigmented brow pencil. So next, moving on to the eyeshadow palette. So I have this palette recommendation for today, which is the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. And this has such beautiful neutral and rosy shades in it, and the price point and the pigmentation of this palette is just amazing. So if you are a beginner and you don't know how to apply an eyeshadow, all you need to do is just apply any of these two transition shades right here and just blend it really well on your crease line, and just put any of these shades on your eyelids, and it will just do the job for you. And you can see it's so neutral that everybody who likes neutral tones, I'm sure everybody likes neutral tone shades, and this palette is really pigmented, and it's the most raved off palette in the makeup industry as well. So I would recommend this for an affordable option, because it just costs 500 rupees for all these shades in one palette. For my Kajal and my eyeliner recommendation, I have this Lakme Insta liner, and this is just for ₹100, and this is such an amazing liner, you guys. I have been using this since 6 years, and this is my 4th bottle now. And even if I switch to any other liners, I always go back to this. This is so nice, and this is matte, so I like matte liners. And if there is anybody who is like me out there, you should really go for this liner. And even the brush of this liner is so sleek that you can easily apply this on your upper eyelid, and you can make a wing easily from this liner. And for my Kajal today, I am recommending the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Kajal. And this is a very nice pigmented black kajal, and it does not even smudge. so it stays on your waterline for a really long time. And I have used many kajals, but I swear by this product that this product really worked well for me, which is why I have this. And this is very affordable. I got this for just 150 rupees on sale. For my blushes today, I have this the oldie goldie color show blush, and this is in the shade Peach Sweetie. And I really like the pigment of these Maybelline blushes. And you can see how pretty this color looks. It's a very nice peachy pink color, and it just gives you a really nice flush of color on your cheeks. So, and this costs around 325, and on sale you can get it for 100 or 80 bucks lesser. And for the second blush recommendation on the affordable side, I believe that you should really buy this Nykaa Blush Duo, because you are just getting such amazing colors and such a pigmented palette this is, and just stays on for a really long time. And this is in the shade Brazilian Bomb, and you are getting two shades of blushes, so each side of a blush just costs you 300 rupees, and that's really cheap for such a nice product. So if you are looking for an affordable palette, I know 600 rupees would be a bit much for you to spend, but if you really want to go for something like this which has dual tones, you should really go for this blush. For contouring or bronzing your face, I'm sure beginners have no idea about how to contour your face, but still, if you are looking for a contouring powder, I believe you should really go for this palette that I mentioned before, the Wet n Wild contouring palette. And this contouring shade is really beautiful, and it's going to easily look really good on medium and dark and light skin tones for Indian people. And this is really affordable as well. I have two highlighter shades, so if you're a beginner and you are really into highlighting your face and you would like to spend on an highlighter, I believe these two are the best options for you. So this is the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals, and this is the Master Chrome Studio in the shade Gold. So these two highlighters are really good, and the price point of these two are also on the affordable side. For a highlighter that you want to spend on, which has the perfect amount of pigmentation and just stays on your skin and suits Indian skin tone people, this Maybelline Master Chrome, this gold shade highlighter, is very beautiful if you want to wear it on any Indian functions, or you want to wear it off for a party. This really gives you the right amount of glow, and you can even build up with this highlighter, as well as it's affordable. And this is a very nice pinky highlighter for Indian skin tones, and just gives you a very beautiful sheen on your face, and is very affordable. So I would suggest any of these highlighters that you want to go for. So there are three lipsticks that I would suggest you guys to go for. So the first one I have is the most popular shade from Maybelline Creamy Matte range, which is Nude Nuance. And this is a very beautiful brown tone shade, and it really suits all skin types. It's a very beautiful color from Maybelline, and the price is really cheap. You get a lipstick for 300 rupees that is this good and has such good pigmentation, is a plus point, and I believe you should really go for this. The second shade that I have is from Nykaa. So most of us girls like to wear makeup on a daily basis, and we would not apply a red lipstick or a pink lipstick. I have this nude shade which is from Nykaa, and this is the shade Helen. And the price of this lipstick is just 500 rupees, and it has a very nice creamy consistency, and you can apply this on a daily basis. Even if you are a office going girl, or you want to put this on for your college, it would just not be just out there, but it would just make you look a lot more presentable and a lot more groomed as well. And the last lipstick recommendation I have is from the NYX Soft Matte range. These lipsticks are really nice. They have a creamy texture, and it just after just drying up, it just makes your lipstick matte, and it just costs for 650. So on sale you can get these lipsticks for 470 rupees, which is a great deal for products from NYX brand, because it's a high-end brand, and it's very nice. The applicator is also really easy for applying the lipstick, and it would just stay on your lips for 5 to 6 hours, and it's a very nice nude tone shade. It's in the shade Los Angeles. So guys, that was all for my video today, and I hope you liked the beginner's makeup kit tutorial, and I hope this helped you. And if you buy anything from this kit, please let me know how well does it work for you. It would be really nice to know that I am able to help somebody out there who's looking for starting up their makeup kit. And please subscribe to this channel guys, so that you are notified every time I post a video, and hit that bell icon so that you get all my notifications. I post videos on every Mondays. Till then guys, please stay happy and be positive and keep sharing love. Bye guys.